Imagine stepping inside a flying palace where every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide the ultimate travel experience. That's exactly what we're about to showcase in this exclusive video. We have something extraordinary lined up for you. A jaw-dropping tour of a remodeled Boeing 767 private jet that's guaranteed to leave you in awe. This jet has an awe-inspiring interior, from the sumptuous staterooms to the lavish lounges and further. The level of luxury that graces this incredible aircraft is truly unbelievable, leaving an indelible impression of grandeur. Make sure to like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Infinite Lux. This stunning aircraft was recently renovated inside and out by VIP Completions, a company renowned for its expertise in creating luxurious flying experiences. With 2 staterooms and over 2,000 square feet of opulent interior space with exquisite finishes, this private jet is truly remarkable. As we approach the aircraft, the first thing that catches our eye is the sleek and sporty black and white color scheme. The jet's exterior exudes sophistication and style, hinting at the luxuries that await us inside. Upon closer inspection, we notice the unique carbon fiber texture on the engine cowlings, adding a touch of modern elegance to the overall design. The massive scale of the engines and landing gear is a testament to the power and capability of this incredible machine. Stepping inside, we're greeted by a well-appointed galley and crew seating area. This space can be easily separated from the main cabin by elegant leather curtains, ensuring privacy for both the crew and passengers. As we make our way to the cockpit, we get a glimpse of the state-of-the-art controls and expansive windshield, offering a breathtaking view of the skies ahead. The crew area is fitted with comfortable seating, a small galley equipped with essential amenities like cabinetry, refrigerator, and coffee maker, and a plush leather crew couch complete with seatbelts and fold-out tables. The attention to detail is evident in the gorgeous finishes, from the suede-clad walls to the luxurious wool carpeting. Moving further into the aircraft, we enter the first stateroom, a true haven of relaxation and comfort. The centerpiece of this space is the plush queen-size bed, surrounded by large windows that flood the room with natural light. The bed is flanked by nightstands featuring iPad controls for the TV, lighting, music, everything, allowing you to easily adjust the lighting, temperature, and entertainment settings. Ample storage space ensures that you can bring along all your essentials for a comfortable journey. The ensuite bathroom is a true highlight, boasting a double marble vanity, brushed nickel fixtures, glossy cabinetry with locking drawers, and a full shower expertly tucked into the corner. It's an elegant space that maximizes every inch of available square footage. This is a real-size bedroom up in the sky. Connected to the stateroom is a private lounge, perfect for unwinding or entertaining. The lounge features an L-shaped leather sofa, a reclining seat, and adjustable tables that can be raised for dining or lowered for a cozy coffee break. The aviation-grade leather from renowned brands like Loro Piana and Garrett Leather ensures both durability and supreme comfort. The secondary stateroom is equally impressive, offering a versatile layout with 2 convertible couches that transform into bunk beds. This setup allows the stateroom to comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, making it perfect for families or larger groups traveling together. The room also features its elegant ensuite bathroom, complete with a marble double vanity, a spacious shower, and a separate water closet. The ability to move freely between these private spaces is one of the key benefits of traveling on a wide-body jet like this Boeing 767. Built-in cabinets, a pop-up TV, and iPad controls complete the list of amenities in this inviting space. Built-in storage on the bottom, cup holders where you can put your Fiji waters. This jet has iPads in each one of these rooms. That way you can control the lighting, music, and all that good stuff. At the heart of the aircraft is the open-concept main lounge, a stunning space designed for relaxation and entertainment. The lounge features an impressive 80-inch TV, coffee table, built-in fridges, oven, a U-shaped couch that provides ample seating, and plenty of storage for all your travel essentials. The dining area is a true work of art, with adjustable leather seats and gleaming wood tables that showcase the exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail found throughout the jet. The woodwork is finished using a specialized hydro dipping technique, resulting in a flawless, glossy finish that exudes luxury. As we make our way towards the rear of the aircraft, we encounter a secondary lounge area that offers additional seating for up to 8 people. This space is perfect for more intimate gatherings or for breaking away from the main group for a bit of privacy. The The lounge is serviced by a smaller bathroom and a well-equipped main galley, featuring everything needed to prepare and serve gourmet meals and refreshments throughout the flight. The galley includes hot and cold water systems, a dishwasher, a refrigerator, an oven, and ample storage space for all your catering needs. One of the most impressive features of this Boeing 767 is the built-in air stair. This allows the jet to access airports that may not have the necessary ground support equipment for a plane of this size, providing ultimate flexibility in travel destinations. The aircraft can comfortably accommodate up to 33 passengers and offers sleeping arrangements for up to 17 people, making it perfect for large groups or extended family vacations. With a flight range of approximately 12 hours, this private jet can easily reach destinations like Eastern Europe or even London from Los Angeles, opening up a world of travel possibilities. The extensive remodel of this aircraft was completed in just 6 months, a testament to the skill and dedication of the team at VIP Completions. The results are simply stunning, with every detail carefully considered and executed to perfection. To operate a jet of this size and complexity, a crew of 2 pilots and 2 flight attendants is required to ensure a smooth and safe journey for all passengers. It takes $12,000 an hour to operate this plan, which is not a cheap number. The remodeled aircraft is valued at around $38 million, a reflection of the incredible craftsmanship, technology, and luxury that has been poured into every aspect of this flying masterpiece. From the moment you step on board, it's clear that no expense has been spared in creating a flying experience like no other. Every detail, from the plush furnishings to the state-of-the-art technology, has been carefully considered and expertly crafted. Whether you're relaxing in one of the spacious staterooms, enjoying a gourmet meal in the elegant dining area, or simply taking in the view from the expansive windows, this private jet offers an unparalleled level of luxury and sophistication. That was an in-depth look at one of the most luxurious private jets in the world. This remodeled Boeing 767 is a true masterpiece, seamlessly blending the ultimate in comfort, style, and functionality. We hope you've enjoyed this exclusive look inside one of the most luxurious private jets in the world. Make sure to like and comment, subscribe to our channel Infinite Lux for more incredible content like this.